In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from video without blur in CapCut. Whether you're editing out unwanted text or tidying up your footage, this tutorial will show you how to achieve clean and professional results in just a few simple steps. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing app, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced editors alike. If you don't already have CapCut installed, you can download it for free from your app store and follow along. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and add your video to the timeline. This step ensures that your video is placed on the main editing track, where all the changes you make will be applied correctly. Once the app is open, locate your video file and drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This area is essentially your workspace, where all editing actions will take place, so having your video here is essential. Next, locate the crop option in the toolbar. The crop tool is what allows you to adjust the visible area of your video, making it easy to remove unwanted elements like text. You'll usually find this option in the bottom menu or toolbar depending on your version of CapCut. Once you've found it, click on the crop option. This action activates adjustable borders around your video, giving you full control over which portions of the frame to keep and which to remove. Now, it's time to adjust the crop handles. These are the small, draggable points around the edges of your video. Simply drag them inward to remove the area containing the unwanted text. Keep in mind that this method works best if the text is positioned near the edges of the screen. If the text is closer to the center, cropping may cut out larger parts of your video, so adjust carefully to maintain the composition. Once you're satisfied with the crop, confirm your changes by clicking the check mark or the Done button, depending on how the option appears in your version of CapCut. This step saves the cropping adjustments you've made and applies them to your video. Now take a moment to review your video to ensure everything looks just right. Play it back and check for any important parts of the frame that might have been accidentally cropped out. This is especially important for footage with tight framing or key details near the edges. Double-checking here will help you avoid losing vital content. Finally, it's time to export your edited video. Click on the Export button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your project, you can also select your preferred resolution and format. For example, if you're sharing your video on social media, you may want to choose a resolution like 1080p for the best balance of quality and file size. Once you finalize these settings, your video will be ready for saving or sharing. And that's it. Now you know how to remove unwanted text from your video in CapCut without blurring. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.